So let's get started to audio mixer. First we just go through the theory part and then we come to a simulation. About audio mixer. In a sound recording and a reproduction and sound reinforcement system, a mixing console is an electronic device for combining sound, routine, and changing the volume level, timbre, or dynamic of many different audio signals. Depending on the type, a mixer is able to control analog or digital signals. Circuit analysis. Here is the circuit. When two or more signals are to be combined into a single audio output, mixtures such as shown in the figure are employed. The potentiometer at the input are the volume controller for each channel, with potentiometer R3 included to provide additional balance between the two signals. Resistor R4 and R5 are there to ensure that one channel does not load down the other, that is to ensure that one signal does not appear as a load to the other, draw power and affect the desired balance on a mixed signal. So, circuit and working. A DC analysis of the transistor configuration result in RE equal to 11.71 ohm, which will establish an input impedance of the transistor of about 1.4 kilo ohm. The parallel combination of R6 is also approximately to 1.4 kilo ohm. Setting to both volume controllers to their maximum value and the balance controller R3 to its midpoint result in the equivalent network of figure A. Here is a volume controller. The signal at V1 is assumed to be a low impedance microphone with an internal resistor of 1 kilo ohm. The signal at V2 is assumed to be a guitar amplified with a higher internal impedance of 10 kilo ohm. Because the 47 kilo ohm and 500 kilo ohm resistors are in parallel for the above conditions, they can be combined and replaced with a single resistor of about 242 kilo ohm. Each source will then have an equivalent such as shown in the figure B for the microphone. So here is the figure B for a microphone signal V1. Applying the Vanish theorem shown that it is an excellent approximation to simplify, drop the 242 kilo ohm and assume that the equivalent network is as shown for each channel. The result is the equivalent network of figure C for the input section of the mixer. So here is the figure C. Applying the superposition theorem results in the following equation for the AC voltage at the base of the transistor VB is equal to this. With RE equal to 11.71 ohm, the gain of the amplifier is minus RC by RE. The output voltage is VO is equal to minus 10.7 V1 minus 8.45 V2, which provides a pretty good balance between the two signals, even though they have a 10:1 ratio in the internal impedance. However, if we now remove the 33 kilo ohm resistor from the diagram of figure C, after the theoretical part, let's get back to the simulation. I have made this circuit previously. In this circuit, I have used two function generator. One is for microphone and the second is for guitar. And then I connected two potentiometer. As I told you, that are the volume controller. And the R6, here the R6 is the balance through which can balance the two frequency of which are from function generator 1 and the function generator 2, and then two resistor of 33 kilo ohm. They are the parallel to each other, and then the capacitor, and here the main part is transistor. The part of the transistor are connected with the load resistor and the capacitor, and then connected to the oscilloscope. The whole circuit is grounded. Let's simulate it. I have passed the frequency 1, means the frequency of microphone is 500 Hz. Frequency 2 is 200 Hz. As you can see, the first waveform is frequency 1, the third is frequency 2. The first one is 500 Hz and 1 volt peak to peak, and the second one is 200 Hz and 1 volt peak to peak, and in between the yellow waveform is the combination of two frequency. As we can control the volume controller, through which can increase or decrease the frequency of microphone and the frequency of the guitar or any other musical instrument. From this balanced, we can control the two frequencies. So as you can see, from the balanced, I can control the frequency 1 and the frequency 2 as well.